Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Kadane's algorithm or Kadane's algorithm. We are going to solve this question in this video and I am going to just give you the 2D point solution. I will not waste your time explaining the examples because you will just understand when you will code along with me. So now the question says that given an integer array, we need to find the maximum sum of a subarray. What exactly is a subarray? Anything that is continuous inside the array is a subarray. For example, they are continuous inside the array, so they are subarray. Or even the whole array can be called a subarray. So that was the question. Now what Kadane's algorithm says. What Kadane's algorithm says. It says that whenever we are at a particular point inside the array, we can include the element. For example, this is our subarray and we are at this point. We can include and just continue the subarray, or we can start a new subarray from this. This is the algorithm, that's it. Now let's just code it for the better understanding. Now this is our question, right? This is our question. Let's just initialize a current variable and make it the starting point of this array. Set it to the starting value of the array, right? And now we can initialize a maximum also to keep the maximum sum. So again, we are initializing it with first element of the array. Now let's just run a loop from 1 to array.size. Now what Kadane algorithm says is to either include, let me just see myself once. Yep, everything working fine. So Kadane algorithm says that we can include the particular element. So if we include, we can include the particular element. So how to decide that we should include this or not? If the size of the current element, let's just say if the size of this is greater than, if the value of this is greater than the value of previous sum, then we can start a new subarray from here, or else we can include it. So that's what we are going to do. We are just going to find maximum of array of I plus current and array of I. That's it. And in the next step, we are just updating max of current and maxi. And at the end of the day, we are going to return maxi. Here we go, we got the solution. Working fine. So thanks for watching. See you guys soon in the next video.
Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I could get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold on to things from the past. So goodbye to things I'll never miss.
We don't run, no, we're staying together and hold on through the angry weather we all